Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app. Okay, then
remainder of the school year.
scroll down, then choose someone.
Lionel Messi.
Okay, click on profile. Tap on share option and click on block. Just tap blocking, then block this account. Okay, then back another person. Okay, click on profile, tap on share button, click on block option, then tap on block. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.